I'm Glenda Bea Pietchalar from Barangay Poblacion, and Father, what will you do when the host falls down on the ground?
When we receive the Holy Communion, we have to receive it with utmost reverence and care, whether on our hands or on our tongue. Ingat na ingat tayo sa pagtanggap kasi hindi lamang basta tinapay ang ating tinatanggap, kundi ang katawan mismo ng ating Panginoong Hesukristo na nag-alay ng kanyang buhay para sa ating kaligtasan. Therefore, when the Holy Host that we are to receive accidentally slips from our hands or from our mouth, don't panic. Although, kailangan pulutin ito immediately and consume it immediately, either by the receiver or by the minister. Or it can be placed in a safe place para i-consume later or tunawin. The minister of communion should also make sure na punasan ng purificator ang parte ng sahig kung saan nahulog ang ostya. In case the host that fell wasn't noticed immediately or madumi na or soiled, maaring tunawin ito at properly i-dispose ito in a special drain sa sacristy na ang tawag ay sakrarium. Again, the area kung saan ito nahulog must be cleaned immediately with utmost respect. Therefore, in all these, reverence is the key.